Visualizing data such as health makes a great difference in how your game looks. GameMaker makes it very easy to display a health bar with just a single function. I will demonstrate how to use it and also how to use custom images instead of plain colors. This video focuses specifically on health bar, but can be applied to any resources such as mana, stamina, or time. My current game has enemies as objects with two variables in their create event, max HP and HP. Whenever the player shoots an enemy, it reduces its HP by 10. When below or equal to 0 HP, I destroy the enemy instance. To draw the health bar, we can use GameMaker's built-in function, draw health bar. First two arguments are the X and Y coordinate of one of the health bar's four corners. I pick the upper left. The next two are the X and Y coordinate of the opposite corner, in this case the lower right. Next is the percentage amount the health bar must be filled. This is where we use max HP and HP. We divide HP with max HP to get the fraction of the health left. At full health, 50 divided by 50, we get 1. At 0 health, 0 divided by 50, we get 0. As the function requires a number between 0 and 100, we multiply it by 100 to get the percentage. Next three are the colors in the following order: background color, minimum color when the bar is low, and maximum color when the bar is full. Next we define the anchor. With 0, the bar is drained from right to left. 1, the bar is drained from left to right. 2, the bar is drained from bottom to top. And 3, the bar is drained from top to bottom. Last two are whether to show the background and whether to draw borders. This is a quick and not so bad solution. It will work in most games without a problem. If you wish to draw your own sprites instead, we can use the same principle but with different functions. I have uploaded a sprite with two images, one for the background and one for the health. With the method I'm going through, the images must not have any transparent margin. That's because we'll be using the function drawSpritePartExtended that trims the margin. My sprite is 480 pixels wide and 80 pixels tall. We'll be using these numbers. In the create event of the enemy, I define two variables, healthbar X scale and healthbar Y scale. I set these to my actual in-game size of the health bar divided by the image size, 60 divided by 480 and 15 divided by 80. Then we can use the full image but scale it down to a more appropriate size. In the draw event we use the function drawSpritePartExtended. This function only draws part of a sprite. Let's first draw the background. Arguments are the name of the sprite as healthbar, then image index of the sprite 0. Next two are the start position of the image, which both are 0 for top left corner. Then comes the size of the image, which we set to the sprite's full size of 480 x 80. Next is the start position for X and Y. Now we have the scale of the image. Use the healthbar X and Y scale variables we set in the create event. Last two are the color blend and alpha, which we just default to our sprite's value, image blend and image alpha. This will draw the background of the health bar. Let's copy and paste the function to draw the actual health bar. We change image index from 0 to 1. For its width, we take the percentage HP divided by max HP and multiply it with the full size of 480. That's it. The two images are now drawn upon each other, but only part of the second image depending on the health. Healthbar is really easy in GameMaker. I recommend using this simple method of draw healthbar as long as it doesn't make your game look bad.